a different shift to our webinar series. Mr. K. Sivakumar of D&M Enterprises. He will be talking about the machine which makes many of the plastic parts, the vertical injection molding machine. Sivakumar is a postgraduate diploma in plastic process technology, and he has 30 years of experience and has wide range of expertise in plastic processing, machine maintenance, servicing, sales for multinational brands like the Supermaster horizontal molding machine and Taiwan Kinki vertical machine. So over to you, Sivakumar. Wish you all the best, and you can make a start.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Sivakumar here from DM Enterprise. I hope you can see the screen. Hope everything is fine, sir. Audio and I also can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah, thanks for your opportunity for giving us participating here in webinar from IPI Chennai chapter. And
Sivakumar sir, can you make it a full screen?
Yeah.
In the right side bottom, you have this full screen mode. Yeah, next one. Yeah, there is one. The last one. No, not that. The next one. After this bar. After the bar, you can find this. The next one. Yeah. Yes. No, the next one. Exactly the next one.
Yeah, one moment.
So the next button of this minus, after the minus.
Yeah, I can see.
So some small screen is there, no? There, small screen after minus.
After the minus.
Know, if you come to the left side of the minus, next button.
Yeah, yes.
That one. Exactly.
Fine. Good morning, sir. Welcome to IPI Plastoteck 2020. We are DM Enterprise, and our manufacturing division is D&M Machine Tool. And we make the vertical molding machine with the collaboration with the Taiwan Kinki from the Taiwan company. It's a 40 years old company which has found this injection molding vertical type in Taiwan. As a first product, they are very expertise in injection molding machines of insert molding of any new product development. And we have DM Enterprises have found in 1999 with plastic injection molding machines and auxiliary equipment in India. And we supply both the vertical molding machine and also you can horizontal molding machine on top store auxiliary equipment for injection molding machines. With our own experience, we have started association with Taiwan Kinki, and we have started manufacturing of machines of Taiwan Kinki in India in Chennai plant in 2012 with a standard fixed table, single sliding, double sliding table, rotary type machines currently available in Chennai plant. We are catering all over our customers in India. And in the year 2000, For the vertical molding machine, we have our capacity is from 15 ton to up to 160 ton clamping force machines of fixed table, single sliding, double sliding, and rotary table. For rotary table, we have a limitation because of our capacity, plant capacity. We are manufacturing up to 85 ton. In case of sliding and fixed table, we have supplied machines up to 160 tons. So with our expectation and our experience, we have started manufacturing our own brand called UCAN horizontal injection molding machines in our own plant in Sivakumar, Chennai. And I'm talking about this TKC vertical molding machine, which has their own advantage of, it's primarily for insert molding machines like plastic over metal and plastic over plastics. Based on the applications, there are combinations available of 2 color, 3 color. Like you can see the our everyday's life toothbrush handle. Over the PP handle, you can see the soft rubber, which has 2 color, 3 color molding, and also there are so many other parts like metal to plastics in automotive segment. Very easy and safe access to work area with efficient protection, energy efficient with less connected loads, which is supplied on our machines. Space saving, that is the main advantage of vertical molding machine. They have very minimal footprint when compared to horizontal injection molding machines. So advantage of a horizontal vertical molding machine over horizontal, as you know, it's horizontal has its own machine dimension of a very lengthy one, and vertical has a very short one. And also while molding, the insert molding machine in horizontal machine, there is a chance of the insert gets fall in between the mold and the mold get damaged. There are multiple metal inserts nowadays is getting molded for, especially for the automotive parts, and it's a very risky factor. So there are so many customers who convert this insert molding of molds from horizontal to vertical, because it has own advantage of mold gets loaded vertically, so it is very convenient for the operator for them to load this insert part onto the molds very easily, and removing the end products very easily, very quickly. There are options are available for the operator using 1 top 2 bottom molds also. Like you can see, there are 3 types machine, which is a standard type, like K2S, which is standard type machines, which are fixed table, and there are single sliding table, and there is DM type, which is double sliding table. I'm sorry. Okay. In terms of double sliding table, it has one advantage. You have to invest some small amount in the mold, like 2 bottom mold you have to make, where you have more volumes in production, and there are more number of inserts per cavity if you have plan like you have product like that. So that it is very easy for the operator to insert and remove the parts in 1/2, and by the time machine will not wait for the operator to finish to complete the thing. The another half will be getting processed, so that you are making your cycle time is shorter and the productivity is higher. Same thing in terms in case of rotary model also, where the rotary platen gets indexing. We have an indexing table where the operator is stationary, but using the same one top two bottom mold, it is very convenient that operator can be stationary on one point. He need not to move left and right. In case of bigger molds, you can plan rotary table as we suggest. For the smaller mold, still you can prefer double slide models. There are a lot of capacity available from 15 ton up to 300 ton. We make single slide, double slide, and rotary tables machines of servo type or non-servo type. You can have an energy saving for the main motor, and also energy saving. For the fast and accuracy, you can use servo motor for the rotary table. So there is a few parts that we want to show. For example, auto parts like car wiper, which has molded in one area like a small. There is an insert part. You can see the video. Yeah, here this is the single slide machine with wide, very long core molding. You can have an insert part as you long, very lengthy one, where either side of the rod is being molded with a small insert, small plastic part. It is not very huge. So this is the one. I'll go for the next. Yeah, this one is the seat belt. This one is the auto seat belt, where the metal part, metal over plastic. You can see the video. As you see, there is a single operator who can operate at least 3 machines, and the mold has 2 cavity of seat belt. You can make multiple cavity with the same, as I said, we can use double sliding table machine where you can insert the parts at once, and for the peak production, you are to save the cycle time and increase the productivity. This is the seat belt video which you have seen. The next video is for the automotive car antenna, where the insert is. This is also an insert part where this you just insert a like tube-like antenna, and it is getting over molded. So this is called a double slide molding. You might have seen there are two bottom mold, and one after another the mold is getting slided into the injection area where the injection takes place, and very quickly. It is very quickly you can do the molding to have more productivity. If you have so huge volume, you can use multi-cavity mold and two bottom molds to have a very good productivity and very accurate. You can expect any very high consistency in our machine, and the wastage also very less when compared to other machines. Uh, the 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 consistency of the machine, the wastage of the raw material is very minimal. You can say 0.1% of wastage, which is nowadays the raw material cost is very high, as you know. So you can use any kind of engineering polymers, PPP, PPS, any kind of raw material. We have very high valued customers in automotive segments, and also white goods, power card industries. We have toothbrush industries. So there are very high volume where they produce in volumes, and with the every day the quantity is very huge. Unless until the wastage is very minimal, they won't prefer the machine which is not economical to them. So we have a very good customer support in all these segments. Next, I will show you. Yeah, this is the rotary table video. This is the rotary molding machine with the auto parts, auto filter, automotive air filter molding. Similar way, instead of paper, you can use the mesh filter also. Already there are very few customers. We have supplied the machine in Chennai also. Yeah, this one power card molding, which is in our day-to-day life. You might have seen a lot of power cards in our application, data cards, data cables, connector cables, where we have multiple inserts, spin inserts, where you can see the molding of one top to bottom, or vertical clamping, horizontal injection type. Depends upon the application, you can change the machine model, where we can customize the machine and supply to the customer. Just watch the video. Okay, this is the power card molding of a 2-pin plug, where they use loading bar technology for inserting the part. Instead of loading each pin individually, they prepare loading. You can see the bottom and the top and the bottom of the mold on the machine, the loading bar, where you can put the insert and keep the insert part for at least 6 cavity mold. This is 6 cavity. Each cavity has 2 pins. That means 12 pins have to be inserted. So you don't need to wait for the mold to, machine for you to waiting for this molding. You can keep this loading bar loaded with all the pins inside, and just load on it onto the mold when it is. I'll go for the next slide, which is this is again our toothbrush handle molding, where you can have a 2-color, 3-color molding. It's a rotary table again for the multi-cavity. This current molding video is for 12-cavity, where you can have very quick molding. It's being produced in volumes. We are the major supplier of this machine in India for our customers for the toothbrush. We are the major vendors for those toothbrush molding handles.
Okay, button pressing. Take out.
So this is this toothbrush handle molding is a very peculiar one for two-color and multicolor, where you can use single machine to load this producing the handles, or you can use 2 machines using molding one color after another. So both the ways possible. And this one is very particular vegetable fruit peeler, where it has 2 color in same machine. The first color and second color, both color in same machine. Very peculiar molding, customized and fully automized. That is more important. We do automation also for making those molds and products, supply the turnkey for the entire project. In this video, you can see the peeler, the blade is getting loaded by robo and getting molded one color after another. It's a very short video you can watch. The blade is getting loaded here. This is the 4-cavity mold. The mold is opened, coming out of getting ejected. The component is taken out by the robo itself. So the pick and place robo for even for the product and also for the insert part being used. This is the very special product where we have a good challenge in the industry, where you might have heard the diamond wire molding, where they use this diamond wire for cutting. It is being used in the quarry to cut this stone and marbles like. So these wires, they will have a diamond cutting, I can say the studs, where they have multiple cavity, put it in the rope, and there is a PU material being injected in between these diamond beads. You can see the length of the rope. It depends the volume of the product that you want. The maximum length you can we can supply the machine as per the length of the rope. So usually it is we can say 160-ton machine being used. You can watch the video here.
高级石材的挖掘、切割已由炸山、钢锯、砂锯的时代转型至钻洞截取、绳锯切割取代，大量地减少废材耗材的使用。优良的绳锯制造促使了石材产业的蓬勃发展。台湾金基即使在本地禁采的情况下，仍毅然决然投入绳锯射出成型机的研发，寄望与世界产业接轨，重现台湾石材加工业的往日雄风。绳锯射出成型机的组合包含了右侧牵引调整架、中置成型机及模具，以及左侧钢索张力预热系统。整套系统均由台湾金基独立开发制造，并成功销售中国、台湾、印度、巴西多家世界知名品牌。台湾金基研制的绳锯机拥有4柱超大间距，便于送绳与钻石珠埋入。模具置中，高压锁模，可高压高速射出，没有其他品牌悬臂锁模，造成撑模易胶的顾虑。锁模系统附安全极感、气动安全门、电眼光闸及双手启动，低压保护符合 C1 及 NR12 安全规范。全自动钢索张力自动补偿恒定，高压射出钢索不偏移，3.2米钻石珠钢绳预热，核心受热均匀，塑料贯穿涂布钢索中心骨及串珠内壁。滑轨式调整轮，绳长调整、挂绳收绳简易方便，可适用于18米至40米之绳具生产。刺幅马达精准，快速送绳，可无段慢速左右微调对位买串珠，可手动、自动扶绳剥离胶道，省时省力。28国语言切换界面，液晶萤幕 PC Bus 电脑机密控制。台湾金基研发之绳锯机射出系统所生产的绳锯机具有张力恒定、串珠不偏移、塑料与钢索串珠结合性优良的特性，切割更便利，使用寿命更长久，深获使用者之青睐。
This machine, a very specialized one, and we have Taiwan Kinki has manufactured and exported to Brazil and Italy. Many more customers are doing this diamond wire molding, and we have also supplied a few machines, the entire turnkey project in India, in Rajasthan and Goa. So we have very simple molding, and also this entire turnkey project we have supplied. So customers also very happy with this, the way the machine works and the quality of the product they get. They are very different beads, diamond beads are used. So if you can, I mean, any customer who is having the demand for this special customized molding can contact us for any kind of solution for this kind of a special customized molding. We can supply the machine, suitable machine for them. And these are the few insert molding parts for use in automotive and other segments. These are the paper products and golf ball, jeep, fan blades, toothbrush. These are all the few parts like, sole, shoe sole also we can supply the machine. We have supplied a few machines in Punjab. Few of our historical milestones from our company side. We have secured a specialized and customized vertical molding machine automotive industry in Tier 1 supplier for the Korean company. They have very supported well, and we have also supplied few sets initially to them under developmenting stage, and they have tested their project, and it was successfully gone through well, and ultimately they have placed more set of machines for the huge volumes. It's an automotive Tier 1 supplier, so as you know, they're having a very huge volumes requirement for their molding, specialized molding for their automotive customer like Hyundai, Kia Motors, like. So they have more set of machines and the support from D&M, including this auxiliary equipment we have supplied to them. And also the second one is turnkey project for the wire, diamond wire molding, as you saw the video, the last video. Very consist of a machine turnkey project. The project has been supplied worldwide and successful commissioning by our TKC D&M team. And we have also have our first order of 160-ton vertical molding machine manufactured in Chennai plant in 2018 and supplied 85-ton machines, more than 200 numbers, and D&M wants its capability to prove for the higher tonnage also can be delivered, and it is supplied our first machine, 160-ton machine, to our valued customer in Pondicherry. We have our few customer list, valued customer in pipe industry, automotive, and automotive electronics, sensor, connectors. We have more than 850 machines running installed and commissioned all over India basis. We have Lorem, FIAMS, Jata, Falcon, Ronch Polymers. Schiffer and Managers who supply the brush handles, Vicky Plastic, they are very high value customer. They are having 250-ton machine of rotary table. We have customers in each and every segment, like white goods, tap industries, automotive, industrial products, power card industries, toothbrush industries, like that. So we value our customer, like as I said, our father of the nation. The customer is more important visitor on our premises. So we are our main strength is we value our customer. Even with the scratch, if they give the RFQ to us, we analyze each and every stage. We can supply, develop the machine so that they feel free, very comfortably when they buy the machine. We give the entire solution to our customers. Even with from the RFQ stage, we can work out what is the machine model required and what is the tonnage required, so that we can give very economical solution to them. We don't just sell the machine, we give the solution to the customer. That is our motto. That is how we develop our customer relationship. Even for the small customer, we value the customer and we give the solution. they are also very happy with the way we execute the order. And finally, even if the customer is very small or big, they come back to us. Not that they don't stop with even a single machine. They give repeated orders, and they know our support. We have a very good service team support and spare part supports in India. Very quick support. Even though we are customers says may feel that we are making the machines from Taiwan, importing the parts and manufacturing here. Even after buying one machine, they can see that okay, we are very good in support, so they come back to us definitely. And this is our portfolio, and we are very thank you very much for the opportunity given. Thank you, Karthik sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sivakumar.